So in a lot of cases, when we're in the channels world, we've got restrictions on what we can do. I run channels in Wyoming or California or the Republic of Austin. Who knows? So if our restrictions are such kind of restrictions that they're physical, they're geographic, they're territories, well, we can use LinkedIn to help us build up our network in those areas. I'm going to show you how. So it starts out with a zip code for the most part in LinkedIn. And that zip code gives you some sort of a zeroing, a big rounding area around that zip code for you to fish within. And if you don't know the zip code of the area, there's a lot of places to go for it. LinkedIn has a little tool. Google is a nice tool. But if you're looking for Lansing, Michigan, you can type in zip code for Lansing, Michigan and get the answer. Because LinkedIn doesn't quite work from the cities like we'd like. So once we put that in place now, we're going to build our network in an area with what? Regional channel partners, local channel partners, folks that have strings of words in them. And we're going to apply those words now to a region. Call it Wyoming. Okay? So in Cheyenne, Wyoming, it might be that, kind of channel partners we're looking for might be involved in cabling or involved in hard goods, not electronic stuff, real physical stuff. So there's a series of words for them. And when you go to do your searches for these kind of people, there's a sorting algorithm. Big word, algorithm. You got it, algorithm. And, maybe the default isn't the right thing for you. And in fact, I'd say when you're building your network in this technique, it's not. You want to sort by connections. This will find the folks in those words in those areas in that region that have the biggest networks, that are more tuned in to LinkedIn and more likely to help you in your endeavors. So there's one idea about getting folks in your network, channel kind of people in your network, in a region using the same kind of concept of keywords we talked about. But there's more. Here's another one. Those regions also have LinkedIn groups that might be regional. We run the Linked to Denver group. There's a Linked Minnesota group. There's a you name it group out for that area. And there's professional associations that have LinkedIn groups and other things going on. And those are good things for you to look at. There's a quick little run with it. Go to LinkedIn group search and, put in some words and see what you find. It builds your network and it puts you in a relationship status where you can comment and communicate with these other folks that are in channels in the regions you're looking for. So how's that for something maybe you can use?